Good day and welcome to another cook with me. Today I'll be preparing curry berenjena or eggplant, and I'm gonna walk you through the process. And I think it's a quick and easy recipe. I'm using the Instant Pot, and of course I will definitely leave the ingredients and the recipe down that I'm using in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and tell me what you think after trying this recipe. I just rough chop onion, garlic, ginger, habanero, and I'm gonna put it in the pot. I'm also gonna go in with turmeric, curry, and paprika. I'm gonna also go in with tomato. I'm gonna go in with, I had 3 large eggplant that I cut in rough cut, but you know, like this. And I'm gonna pour everything here. I am going to salt the pot, so I'm gonna go in with like 1 tablespoon. It seemed like a lot, but it's not a lot. 1 tablespoon of sea salt here. I'm going to go in with 1 cup of water, cover it, and put the pressure on. I have coconut milk as well, so I'm going to put this on pressure cook for about 5 minutes, and then after that check on it. So the 5 minutes is up. I'm going to release the valve, and then we're going to check on the pot. So I'm gonna show you what's inside the pot, how it looks. Oh, it's gonna be steamy. She rocked me. Oh. She rocked me. So I need to mix. So I'm gonna mix it up, and I'm gonna add the coconut milk. I'm gonna add coconut milk to this and let it cook, saute for 30 minutes. And then I'm also gonna add green peas to it. I love green peas. Don't ask me why I love green peas. So I'm gonna put it on saute, of course, for 30 minutes. So I just add the coconut milk to it, and now I'm going to add the green peas. After adding the green peas, corn, and potato, I let it cook for some bits, and now I'm gonna go ahead and add cilantro. Not a lot, but just like a bit. I'm gonna show you what's going on in the pot here. So yummy, yummy, yummy. So yeah, that's what's going on in the pot here.